Event creation. To create a new event, select the New Event button. Internet access is required for event creation. Give the new event a name. The name must be unique and a minimum of 6 characters. If this is a recurring or annual event, consider putting the date, such as the year, in the title to identify it clearly. There is no need to include the location in the name if it is not part of the name, as this is entered on the next screen. If you are creating a recurring event that has already taken place, you can copy all the settings, including all courses and marshals, from a previous event. Select the event to copy from the drop-down list. You need to have been an administrator in the previous event for it to appear in the list. If you copy a previous event, all information from that event will be entered in the following screens, and can be edited. Once the name is entered, select Next. Enter the event location. This is displayed alongside the event name in any searches. Press Next once entered. Select the event dates. Start and end date and time must be set. Select between a single-day event or multi-day event. For multi-day events, both start and finish dates and times must be set. For a single-day event, only the start date is entered alongside start and finish times. Press Next when finished. Enter a short and long event description. The short description appears alongside the event name and location in searches, while the long description is shown when a Checkpoint Marshal user selects the event. The short description is limited to 50 characters, while the long description is limited to 500. Next, set the administrator and contact email addresses for marshals. The administrator email will receive notifications when users register and marshals for an event. The administrator email address is not shown to other Checkpoint Marshal users. The contact email address is published with the event and shown to event marshals. The email addresses can be the same. Once valid email addresses are entered, press Next. Teams of participants are supported by Checkpoint Marshal and can be ranked by either average team member time or slowest team member time. Select desired ranking methods followed by Next, or just press Next if teams are not required. Checkpoint Marshal supports a number of methods for marshals to log participants. These include manual participant number entry as well as using barcodes, NFC or RFID tags, and external code readers. An event can use one input method or multiple input methods within the same event as required. One method is to use NFC cards or tags to identify participants. Many smartphones can read NFC tags directly. Enable NFC tags on this screen if they are to be used. See separate help information about NFC tags for more details. NFC tag support can be enabled at any time before an event starts. Press Next when selected. Event registration for participants when they arrive at an event can be made compulsory or automatic when a participant is checked at their course start marshal. If an event registration is very busy at the start of an event, this may be a useful selection to make registration easier. If enabled, this setting does not prevent participants being separately logged at registration. However, if they are missed at registration, they will not need to return to registration to be logged into the event when they start their course. Choose this setting if you do not intend to have a manned registration point or participants can go directly to their course start points when they arrive. The final screen is a summary of the event options. Once you have reviewed the options, select Create Event. To create your event, agree to the terms and conditions for the use of the Checkpoint Marshal app by ticking the checkbox and pressing Create Event button. The terms and conditions can be viewed by pressing the Terms and Conditions button. Ticking the box and pressing the Create Event button indicates you have read and understand the terms and conditions for use of the Checkpoint Marshal app. Your event will be created. We wish you every success. Once created, you will be shown the event home page where you can create your courses and checkpoints.